Now, Zhangjiajie is a world-renowned tourist destination in central China's Hunan province, but over the weekend, it's become a COVID hotspot as new cases have emerged, forcing authorities to shut down entertainment and tourist venues. Cao Chunfeng has the story.
More than 20 cities across China have reported COVID infections since the outbreak at a Nanjing airport. Health authorities say, after reviewing travel history, they found that several cases had been to Zhangjiajie city in Hunan province. They say they've traced most of them to a theater, where a performance took place on July the 22nd. The theater says it has gathered information on over 2,000 people who were at the venue that day. Meanwhile, its employees have been told to quarantine.
Among our staff, 41 of them have been identified as close contacts. They've been quarantined as instructed by the government. There are over 200 others in self-quarantine. Our tickets are sold under a real name system, so we were able to hand over the list of contacts to the authorities as early as July 27th to ease the process.
Tourist and travel activities in Zhangjiajie have come to a halt. Some 6 theaters, 21 stores, and 1 museum have been closed to the public as mass testing gets underway. It's a big blow for travelers who've been asked to remain in their places of accommodation. Authorities have sent medical workers to hotels, offering free COVID tests.
This will not only avoid infections but also reduce the number of tourists stranded in Zhangjiajie. Getting tested early will allow them to return to their hometown early.
Most of the hotel guests have been compliant. Authorities say about 10,000 visitors from more than 4,000 tour groups were asked to suspend their trips and arrange refunds.
About 1,000 tourists are still stranded in Zhangjiajie. Most of them have been tested twice. Those who have taken 3 tests with negative results have left the city. We've arranged food and accommodation for some of the stranded tour groups. Our next stop is to help them to get home in an orderly manner.
Authorities say tourists need to show 3 negative COVID tests before they can leave the city. Cao Chufeng, CGTN.